All right, this is part 2 on how this ghillie hood is coming together. And as you see, I'm working from the bottom up. Some are a little thicker than others. I'm going to explain this back a little bit. And I'll come over here to the side. It's pretty good. I got a hole here you can see. I'm going to have to tie something here. But not too bad. I've gone for a double tie out here, and I've gone with 2 of these. So you'll see there's the plastic thing there and there. And this allows me to put vegetation in here, or here, or here, in 2 different places. Now the other one, oh, it's in there. The other one's over here, see? So. But it's slowly coming. Now some places I went thicker like this to really spread out and cover a lot of area because we've got a big hole here. Now the other thing is, when I did the arms, okay, over here, we did short ones. And then as I went up, I did longer and longer, is what I did. And when I did the back, I'm actually doing full length. So I'm not cutting these in half. These are actually full lengths of that cord. So, and as I go up the hood here, I'll probably go half again. But around here where the shoulders are, like you can see here, I'm going longer ones to remove that silhouette is what I'm doing. So it's slowly coming along. Now, if we take a look from the front, you'll see from the front, I got a face mask on. And you'll see down here, we've got some in here. So again, I got to fill this in up here to fill this in. This side here, I'm still working on. And you're going to find that it's easier with a model. Originally, I started on my desk, if you watched that first video. And then this video here, I've actually had him wearing it while sitting down while I attach it here so I can see how it lays. So he's kind of been my model, but it is easier to use some form of model, whether it's a dummy or whether it's a real person, to wear it while you actually do your tying. So this is part 2, as this ghillie hood slowly comes together.